is Jasmine Wheeler, and I want to welcome you to Grandma's Apron, and I want to welcome you to my kitchen. Now, this cooking channel is inspired by my grandmother. Her name is Geneva Wheeler. Now, this year, my grandmother did go home to be with the Lord, but one thing my grandmother left with me is her recipes and how to cook a good meal. So what I want to do with the cooking channel is I want to teach you all home cooked meals straight from my grandmother. And not only that, I want to do it with a modern twist and on a millennial budget. A lot of people think that you have to have lots of money to create excellent home cooked meals, and that's definitely not the case. I cook each and every day, and when I tell you my recipes are bomb, I mean they are bomb. So what I want you to do is go ahead to my YouTube channel, subscribe, like, comment, let me know what you want to see, let me know what you want to learn. Now this is open for everybody, whether you're male, female, child, everybody is welcome to this channel. So I want to teach you my grandma's recipes with a modern twist and on a millennial budget. So I look forward to seeing you guys each and every week on my channel, because that's where I'll be posting videos, recipes, challenges. I might even be giving out a couple plates, but that's only if you live in the Orlando, Florida area. So I look forward to seeing you guys. I look forward to connecting with you guys. And again, my name is Jasmine Wheeler. See you guys soon.